Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to transfer crypto from wallet to an exchange or from an exchange to a wallet. Also, we'll look at how to transfer cryptos from one wallet to the other wallet. The whole process is simple, so I will take you through it in a step-by-step guide. Just before we start, let's observe the tradition for this channel, which is to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, if you've not liked, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and the subscribe button and let's get started. So I am here on my Trust wallet. A Trust wallet is a wallet you can get for free on App Store and Play Store. It is Binance's own wallet on the blockchain. So you can download it. I'll put a link of it in the description of this video. Go to your wallet now. So for me, I'm on my Trust wallet and you are seeing it that I have about $31 and the $31 is for BNB. So I want to send it now from this wallet to my Binance Exchange. The good thing is that the way you send it to Binance Exchange is similar for Coinbase, for Kraken, for all other exchanges or wallet. So since I'm sending, I'll click here send. At the top of it, you are seeing it. I'm clicking on send and it will show what I have, which is BNB. So if you have Bitcoin or you have Ethereum, it's the same process. Click on send and it will show you what you have. Then you pick the one that you want to send. So it's telling me now to go to my recipient address and to type in the amount that I want to send. This memo is another requirement. Some may require it and some may not. But if they require it, your recipient will have it for you to copy it and paste it. So let's just go step by step. So on recipient address, now is the time for me to scan my Binance address. You're seeing it. Click on the top of it here, close to paste. Click at the top of it, then you can start scanning. We are here on Binance and you can see this is my Binance Exchange. I'm clicking on fiat and spot. What I have is $0.0000. So now I want to transfer my crypto from my Binance wallet to my Binance Exchange. And to do that, I will call it deposit. So I'm depositing a crypto. So if your own is showing you withdraw fiat, click on withdraw crypto for it to start. Which crypto am I depositing? Is it Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT? These are the available and allowed cryptos that can be deposited into Binance Exchange. So I click on BNB. If your own is Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. So click on BNB. So the next thing is to ask me the network. Say ensure the network you choose to deposit matches the withdrawal network or asset may be lost. The withdrawal network is Binance website network. And let me use this point to tell you that if you have an account on an exchange, a crypto exchange, you already have an inbuilt wallet in it. So you going to download an app or buy a hardware wallet is an additional cost, which you can if you want to, but just know that for all exchanges, they already have an inbuilt wallet for each account. Here, you have to type in the network of the withdrawal. In this case, it is Binance Exchange. So since I'm putting BNB, I can choose Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum. I'm going with Binance Chain since I'm dealing with BNB. So here, both address and memo are required. I just click on OK. It will show me the address that I can deposit the money. So this is the address now that I can copy and type into my phone in order to send my crypto from my phone wallet into my Binance Exchange. If I want to send Bitcoin, I'll click on Bitcoin, select the network. In this case, is Bitcoin. So this is the recipient address. There's no memo for Bitcoin. Just copy the address and paste it there. If it's Ethereum that I want, click on Ethereum, select the network, which is Ethereum. It's as easy as that, and click on get address. So you copy this address now and paste it on your phone or your sender's wallet. So the wallet they're asking from you, this is the one I will paste. But since I'm sending BNB, let's go back to BNB. Select the network, click OK. So I will copy this now in order to send the crypto. So if I don't want to send it, I can also scan the QR code, which is what I think I would do now. So you are seeing the QR code. So I'll go to my wallet in my phone, which I've shown you earlier, and I'll just go and scan it. So you can see I've already scanned my recipient address. You can copy and paste in order to put it there. I type the amount that I want. Most times I go for maximum, but you can type any amount that you want by just typing the number. But I just click on maximum. It's small amount of money, so there's no need of going ABC. So here too, I can scan the memo, or I can copy and paste it. So once I'm done, I click on next. It will show me the amount of money, the charge that it will cost me. The network fee is $0.02. This is the maximum total I'm sending, and this is the amount that will arrive in my account. So once I'm through with everything, I click on confirm. Now, it will take like a minute, then it will arrive in my account. You can see, going through my account now is $0.00 because I've sent everything now to my Binance Exchange. So let's go to my exchange and see if it has arrived. The money has arrived into my account on Binance. So what if I want to send from this exchange now to a wallet? This time around, I'm not using Trust Wallet. I'll be using Coinbase Wallet. So let's see how we can transfer it from this wallet to Coinbase Wallet or Coinbase Exchange. So what you do is just go on withdraw. So which means that you want to withdraw the crypto. So click on withdraw. There's withdraw crypto. There's withdraw fiat. Select the coin. There are all kinds of coins available if you have different currencies. For me, I only have Bitcoin, which you are seeing here. So withdraw to which account. So copy the address you are withdrawing to and paste the address here and pick the network. If I want to withdraw it to Coinbase, I come to my Coinbase exchange. I click on send and receive at the top right hand corner. So click on receive. What are you receiving? I'm receiving Bitcoin. If it's not Bitcoin, you can select any other crypto that you want to receive. They are all available here. So since I'm receiving Bitcoin, I will copy this address. I'll go to my Binance account and paste the address. See it paste. Here I pick the network. There are all kinds of network, but pick the appropriate network, please. That's very important. If you do not pick the appropriate network, you may lose your asset. Most times it will give you an idea of what you can pick and what you should not pick. So in my own case, it has unmatched Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum so that I won't lose my cryptocurrency. So it's telling me that addresses that start with BC1P are not supported. But my own did not start with BC1P. It started with 3KV, so which means it's supported. So which means I can transfer it from Binance now to Coinbase. The process is similar if I'm using my Coinbase wallet on my phone or any other kind of wallet. What's important is the address. Just copy the withdrawal address and paste here, and you select the appropriate network for you to pick. Then here, type the amount. I like going for maximum, but in your own case, feel free to type the amount. If it's not maximum, 0.00081 or anything, and click on withdraw, and automatically the process will start. So just wait for about 10 minutes before you receive the money on Coinbase. So you see the process is simple and similar for other processes. Let me use Coinbase just to give us a different experience. You click on the wallet. So you see on the wallet I have $0. So I'll just go and click on receive. Then you type the crypto. If it's Bitcoin, you type BTC or Bitcoin. You click on it. Then you see an address that you can copy it. Now, if you remember the last time we did it, it was telling us that Binance does not send to BC1 wallet, which has SegWit address. So let's go to legacy address, which is what Binance can send to. I can share this address to myself, or I will copy this address. So if I copy this address now, I will paste on my link. So if I'm sending it through phone, there's a way for me to scan it. I can scan this QR code. Very long, that's why they shortened it to be a QR code. So this address now I will copy and paste on my Binance account for me to send my crypto to. If I'm sending Tether, for example, see it, USDT Tether. It has a different address. I will copy this address and send it to myself. So if I'm using a Trust wallet or another wallet, click on it. I'll click on receive. What do I want to receive? If it's Ethereum, I click on Ethereum. You are seeing it here. I click on copy or share, and I will paste the address on my account. So that's the way it's done. Generally, it's not difficult for you to transfer crypto between wallets or between exchanges. So please kindly make sure that you like this video and you are subscribed to my channel so that I can show you more ways of dealing and handling cryptocurrencies. Thank you. Bye.